Hashtag. Have you seen this on YouTube? It's now easy to find videos using hashtags. Before we get to know about it, hi friends, I'm back with another informative video. This channel will motivate you to make money online. If it's worth it to you, please subscribe to my channel, and let's learn together. YouTube often brings new features to its platform, to make the viewers a better experience, and for creators to reach their audience as much as possible. Now people search keywords using hashtags on YouTube. The videos containing those hashtags in their description will appear on the results. This year YouTube introduced a new feature called a hashtag landing page. When you click this hashtag, you will be directed to a new hashtag landing page, where you also can find video counts in YouTube related to the hashtag, and the number of channels talking about it. Indeed, this is useful information for creators to understand the competition of the keywords. So if you are new to YouTube making videos, or also if you are running a YouTube channel for a long, now it's better to add more relevant hashtags in each video description. So when you optimize your video around that hashtag, you can increase the chance of your video appearing on the first landing page of search results. But don't overdo it. If you go above 15 hashtags on a single video, YouTube ignores all of them. Moreover, like normal YouTube tags, hashtags also help YouTube algorithms to better understand your video content. Hope you benefited from this video, and I'm happy to share new updates with you. Please support me by subscribing to this channel to make more videos on topics like this, and together we can learn how to make money online. Thanks for watching my video.